Here I withdrew this value from Bitcoin, it was $10, and this value also from Litecoin was $10, meaning it was $20. Welcome again, and a continuation of the free profit sites from the internet. Sites that do not require any skills from us, sites that are very easy and we can earn from them by watching. Advertisements by clicking on links, but always when I search for these sites I find many sites that are easy. But if you don't withdraw, they let you work, and then they withdraw your profits and tell you, no, by God, it will not be useful. You withdraw, no original. You must get 40 referrals. No original. You must. You don't know how to make a deposit. How much do I find? Many sites. In this way, that is why when I came to explain one of these sites, I wanted the job site to be very easy and without any conditions. This means that it will not ask you for referrals, nor will it ask you for deposits, nor will it ask you do not know what or anything. It means that all you do is that you are afraid to see ads that take away your profits in a way, instantly, without any final conditions and without any deposits, meaning zero capital. Work from your computer or from your mobile phone and withdraw your profits directly and immediately without waiting, without any conditions. This is the site that we will explain today, and our site today is 2-in-1. What does 2-in-1 mean? It is a job site, a site on which you will see advertisements, and at the same time it is a method of withdrawing profits. It is the wallet that you will withdraw from. It is a very, very excellent site. And you can also call it a very, very excellent wallet because it is a method of withdrawal and a site at the same time for profit. That is why I am telling you that I will bring you the guaranteed and easy thing, that I will not let you withdraw with conditions and the world will complicate for you everything I ask of you, so that I can continue to provide what is new, free explanations and free profit for you. If you please like the video and be a subscriber to the channel as you support me, I will also try to support you as much as possible by providing free explanations that will not tire you out. At the same time, you can make good capital from it, and without paying, without investing, and without doing anything, you are afraid to work with your mobile phone or your computer. Thank you. Peace be upon you. Take your profits and withdraw them immediately. Please stay tuned so that I don't make it long for you, and don't worry about the lengthy explanation. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you will subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button on everyone so that you receive notifications of all new videos. I am here on the channel offering you free explanations for making money from the internet. I ask you please, and not in order, to subscribe to the channel to support us, and do not forget to like the video. Welcome again, guys. The site and the wallet that we are going to explain today, this site or this wallet is not explained by a lot of people, saying that it is a site for profit, telling you that no, this is a way to withdraw, but in reality it is a site for profit and a way to withdraw at the same time. How can this be said? The first time you go to the site, you will click on sign up and your page will open in this way. Here you put your username, of course, in English. Here is the email. You write the email again. Here is the password, and confirm the password again. And here you learn about the policies and withdraw like this to make sure that you are not a robot in this way. You withdraw. This is very, very excellent. You will be sure that you are not a robot. After that, you click on create account. You will receive a message on your email that you created an account through it. You will start activating your account. Very excellent, guys. Of course, after you log in, you will find the page in front of you in this form, or you will click here on the user dashboard. This is your dashboard on the site. Of course, I currently have $4 in the wallet, and this is from work on other sites. I did not work a lot on the wallet as a site for profit, but I was using it as a withdrawal method. These are the sites that we are withdrawing from and which we are explaining to you, especially also this site, which I will show you in the description, the video in which you withdraw your money in just 5 minutes. As for staying here, you are in Faust Pay. You will work and withdraw on the same site. This means that you do not need a way to withdraw because your profits will be added to the site that you are already withdrawing from. This is for my transactions. Of course, today I withdrew $1.9 in the withdrawals that I withdrew today. You have 3 withdrawals. This wallet still contains wallets or digital currencies, and it contains your profits from every digital currency you have. How much Bitcoin do you have? You have this from Litecoin, you have this from USDT, you have this from Turon Ter X. You can withdraw any of these transactions on the FastPay wallet, and you click on the word deposit, and you take the wallet address and go and withdraw from it. Here you have the statistics. It will show when you come to your statistics or the job statistics on your wallet, and the total items that you won or the money. What you earned is the history, which is withdrawal and deposit, but I have a problem with depositing. You choose this withdrawal, I do this withdrawal operations. Guys, here I withdrew this value from Bitcoin. It was $10, and this value also from Litecoin was $10. I mean, it was $20. Of course, there is nothing. Deposits, so they tell me that there is a problem with the deposits, the link address, which is the wallet that you have already created on the Facebook page that you came to withdraw with. I mean, this is still something that I advise you to work on because it has something to do with betting. So I advise you to work on it at all, and if you did work on it, then I am not responsible for you. What is YGame mining if mining through betting? This is what I understood from what they wrote, so I am not advising you to work on it. I have something called earn here, and this is what I will earn from. I have the faucet, I do not have the best wall, I have opinion polls, I have pay-per-click, and I have Wi-Fi. Sticking first, we will click on the faucet. This is not a faucet, this is not a website. Sites that have anything to do with the faucet B. I mean marketed sites that withdraw from the faucet B wallet. So they offer it to you so that you can worry and work on it and withdraw your money from the faucet B wallet. This means like an advertising exchange between the faucet B wallet and between these sites. Frankly, I worked on more than one of these sites and they were very, very excellent sites, and withdrawals on them are free and without any conditions. This is the first method you have after that. Overwall. These are offers that you implement and you can earn very, very, very good amounts of money from them. Like for example, this company here says Social Med. Facebook page, like the Facebook page, and follow, you will get 60 points here. Share the post on Twitter, you will get 60 points here. Watch, like and share, you will get 60 points here. Watch, comment, like and subscribe, you will get 60 points, and so on. This is a video. I mean, for example, we try this video. It is a Hindu video like this. Watch, like, subscribe, share Hindus like this on view. Of course, they tell you to register through your Google account. You will start registering in your Google account. After that, you are afraid to like, share and subscribe, and your points will come to you. I just do not want to extend the time of the episode, but the topic is very, very easy, by the way. I will need you any time or any effort, which is for the overwall. Look at a page that will subscribe to a YouTube channel that does like very, very easy things. In exchange for it, you take money. You have something called the ad gate. These ad gates are games, for example, like a game for the computer. This is for the mobile phone. This is opinion polls. They tell you to download the game, register in it, and reach 2,500 points or 1 coin. You will receive 72 coins on your FaustPay wallet. These mobile offers are for iPhone, iPad, or Android. These polls begin by completing the survey steps so that you can earn and collect money from them. After that, you have this page that will open for you some offers as well. Make this offer, you will get 240 USD BD, which is a coin. Make this offer, you will get 360. Make this offer or buy in a point pod, you will get 112 USD BD. This is also one of the offers for which you get 6 USD DP points, and the choice is Monolex D. They are also offers that you complete and start collecting points for downloading games, downloading programs, and otherwise, believe me, if you work on this site honestly and want to work to earn, you will collect good sums of money. But those who want to work, but there are people who remain asleep and want the money to go to someone who will never earn. And you always find someone telling you, I didn't earn anything. You explain anything. I don't understand anything, because he doesn't want to work. He wants someone to knock on him and give him his money. You don't have to work like that. You work, and God Almighty, I work even if I earn 1 a month. See what I say? 1 a month, but with at the time, you will earn this 1 per hour and per minute, but at work, not from day to night. After that, you have the last choice. This is a few offers, applications, games, and so on. I will see a lot of things. I swear, if you work on them, you will earn a lot. And it tells you here that the balance is about 1.35 USD DP. Of course, 100 USD DP is equal to $1. USDP is equal to $1, meaning this is approximately 6 evils of a dollar, and this is $390. Sorry. For $3.90, I mean a quarter of a dollar is 169 USD. Soon a bit. A quarter of a dollar. And if we go back to Addy, these offers are here. 360 means $3.60. Here are $2.40. Here are $4. And niche is a cent, meaning $5 from just one offer. After that, this is very easy for you. You watch this ad for 10 seconds. You take a small amount of USDT. Of course, it tells you to wait on this page for 10 seconds. There is only 1 second left. Thank you. I took the credit card. Click here. Click for confirmation. Start. Drag this to its place. It will say excellent. Very well. You earned your money. Take the balance. I took the balance. It was added to my wallet. I will never see another advertisement. The same story. An advertisement will open for me, telling me to wait on this page for 112 seconds. That means approximately 3 minutes. Wait this time and we will continue with some video. The time is up, guys. Start by clicking on it to make sure it drags this to its normal place. Very, very, very excellent. I took my balance. I also have the ad. This is 10 seconds and this is 10 seconds. And so I start collecting my balance. Of course, where do you find your balance? You will find your balance in the wallet here. This is the USDT currency. You will find this box is the one that increases because you win in the USDT currency. And this choice, guys, is a bet. And I don't advise her. And don't work on it because it is forbidden to engage in betting. It is forbidden to engage in betting. Don't work on it. Work and earn by watching ads. Otherwise, no. Like these things. These are all bets. Roulette and I don't know what the story is or what the novels are. All of these are games, all of these are bets, and yes, these are risks and not risks. I am outside of this. You are free. It remains within yourself. You are the one to be held accountable for it. But I will explain to you the free profit only without bets. Totally, guys? Okay. So guys, I explained everything to you today about the site that you earn from and which is also considered a wallet from which you withdraw your profits. I will also leave you in the description of the sites from which we withdraw our profits to the FaustPay wallet. And if you have already worked on this site and are convinced that making money from the internet does not require work and requires time, believe me, you will not make a good profit. But if you think that the world is easy for you and that whoever succeeds will succeed today, and whoever does not, believe me, you will never do anything because you are not focused on work. You are focused on these people. How did you arrive? Are you focused on these people that arrived? Or that whoever won this earned how tired you are? You are not focused on this as you think that the world comes without fatigue. Work and have confidence in yourself, and God willing, you will achieve the profits you desire and more. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you, God willing, in a new episode. Thank you all. Peace, mercy, and blessings of God.